It is given that cosec theta equals 3 over 2, where we have this domain, find the exact value of cot theta. Now, there are two ways that I thought of for us to do this question. The first one is using a very simple chronology, and the second one is using an identity that's directly in the math data booklet. So depending on whichever one you're comfortable with, you can choose which one you want to use. In the first case, since we know cosec is 1 over sine theta, that means sine theta would be 2 over 3, which is your reciprocal of 3 over 2, as we can see here. Then we're going to use the identity sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1, in which case we'll have 4 over 9 plus 5 over 9 equals 1. Now this 5 over 9 is what we find out to be as cos squared theta. So we're going to take the root of 5 over 9 to get root 5 over 3, because root 9 is 3, 5 into the root is root 5. And cos theta will become 5 over 3, or root 5 over 3. Now, since we know tan theta equals sine theta over cos theta, that'll be 2 over 3 times 3 over root 5, because we're going to reciprocate this, in which case we're going to get 2 over root 5. And since we know cot theta is the reciprocal of this, it will become 1 over tan theta, which is root 5 over 2. Now, one thing that I missed from using this method is that your answer is negative. When I checked in the marking scheme, I really didn't understand why, but I realized that it is because cos theta is less than 0, and that means that it's going to be in the second quadrant. And at the second quadrant, tan is always going to be negative. So that means that you're going to have a negative value. And you get this identification either by doing it this way, or also by using the identity that's in the data booklet. 1 plus cot squared theta equals cosec squared theta. So cot squared theta equals cosec squared theta minus 1, and cot theta equals the root of cosec squared theta, which is 3 over 2 squared. That gives you 9 over 4 minus 1. 9 over 4 minus 1 is 5 over 4, and the root of this entire thing is either plus or minus root of 5 over 2. And since we know that your answer is going to be negative, you're going to come here to negative root 5 over 2 again, because cos theta is less than 0, and therefore it's in the second quadrant.